the concept of compassionate care. SubhanAllah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala plans, and He plans things perfectly. From all things, I became a nurse, and I became a nurse practitioner. I think one benefit that nurses have versus like an MD doctor or a DO doctor or a medical doctor in the medicine field is that they get to spend a lot more time with the patients, right? They
Mm.
get to sit with them. So one of the concepts that, despite, other than medicine and anatomy and pathology and pharmacology and stuff, what we studied was how to be compassionate. And I think that, like, now that I go to the hospital systems and I observe, and my father was also in the hospital for a couple of months, and when I saw that, what I saw was that we're lacking that. We're lacking that insight. We're lacking the human touch. And this is universal. People are discussing this a lot in the healthcare system, that human touch, that human compassion, the insight in healthcare is missing right now because we're so focused on the labs and the results and the research and the data and all that stuff. So you're not going to be able to help people heal in a whole way, despite how much knowledge we have about the body and the science.
Mhm.
There has to be a human aspect to healing, and
Mhm.
that comes from the individual. It comes from the practitioner. It comes from the practitioner really, like, undoing some of the things that we've done, right? Unlearning some of the things we've learned, and then learn from the beginning again, type of thing. And then have that conscious intention. And then I feel the doors open up, and then you learn, and then you become an excellent practitioner. And I've seen that. I've seen some excellent practitioners, even in the Western, obviously, practitioner world, right? I've seen some amazing cardiologists and other doctors that have that intuition because
Mhm.
they really sat with their patients, and they have so much knowledge and understanding of that science, and they're able to see, but because they're connected with themselves so well. And I think the modern technology and science and the way of living in the modern time is really disconnecting us from within ourselves. And that leads me to say that one of the benefits of learning the four humors and the how the what is the four humor, and where did this theory come about, and what is the theory, the humoral theory, and how does that contribute in the well-being and the health of the person, actually comes down to knowing yourself. It will teach you so much about your own makeup and your own way of living and your own soul and your body and its connection to everything in nature. And so, people want to learn about temperaments. We can't really learn about temperaments until we learn about the humors. And so that's what I think this course is really going to help people, is to study this concept from its root.
Mhm.
And I think that's one of the benefits that hopefully, inshallah, it brings to the people that will take the course.